In this video, we are going to take examples on product rule. If u and v are functions of the same variable x, then the product rule can be applied to the product of u and v. So derivative of u into v with respect to the variable x is written as u into derivative of v with respect to x plus v into derivative of u with respect to x. So the important thing here is u and v both should be functions of the same variable x. Further, we'll be solving examples related to product rule. The very first equation we are going to solve is finding derivative of 2x into x cube plus 1. This is product of two functions u and v, where we can define this 2x as u and x cube plus 1 as v. So applying this formula, derivative of u into v equal to u, that is 2x, into derivative of v, that is x cube plus 1, and plus v, that is x cube plus 1, into derivative of u, that u is 2x. So we can put a bracket over here, and this gives us 2x into derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of 1 is 0, plus this x cube plus 1 as it is into derivative of 2x is 2. Simplifying this further, we get it as 2 into 3 6, x into x square x cube, plus this 2 multiplied 2, x cube is 2x cube, and 2 multiplied to 1 is 2. So this is 8x cube plus 2 is the answer for the derivative of 2x into x cube plus 1. The second question we'll be solving is to find derivative of x cube into e to the power 5x. So applying the formula derivative of u into v as u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Here also we will define what is u, what is v. So we can take either of the function as u, remaining function as v. So applying the formula, we get it as u, which is x cube into derivative of v, that is e to the power 5x, plus v, again e to the power 5x, into derivative of u, that is x cube. So here writing x cube as it is, and derivative of e to the power 5x is e to the power 5x into derivative of 5x is 5. So in this way we get derivative, or else we also know that e to the power ax plus b is a into e to the power ax plus b. Writing this e to the power 5x as it is here, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. So this is 5x cube into e to the power 5x and plus 3x square into e to the power 5x. Now this can be treated as the solution, or we can club this up as 5x cube plus 3x square e to the power 5x, and now again further we can solve this as 5x plus 3 into what we have taken common is x square, and this e to the power 5x as it is. So this is the solution for the derivative of x cube into e to the power 5x. Next example is finding d by dx of, that is derivative of 3 into x square into sin x. So here we have algebraic function 3x square and trigonometric function sin x. Again defining u and v. This 3x square we can have u and sin x we can have v. Here in case of product rule, it doesn't matter which function you take it as u, which function you take it as v. You are going to get the same result. So using the formula on the right hand side, u, that is 3x square, into derivative of v, that is sin x, plus v, that is sin x, into derivative of u, that is 3x square. We can put a bracket here also. So this gives us 3x square into derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x into derivative of 3x square is 6x. Simplifying further and writing in simple form. So from this we can have 3x as common, and what is left here is x into cos x from the first term and plus 2 times sin x from the second term, and this is the required solution. Let's now find derivative of x square into log x. So algebraic into logarithmic. Define u as x square, v as log x. Applying the formula for product rule, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, that is x square. So x square derivative of log x is 1 by x. Log x as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. So this becomes x plus 2x into log x. Can be simplified further by taking x common, 1 plus 2 log x. So that's the solution for x square into log x. So the next example is taking derivative of exponential function into trigonometric function. So e to the power 2x is exponential, tan x is trigonometric function. Defining u as e to the power 2x, v as tan x, and applying the formula. So u, that is e to the power 2x, into derivative of v, that is tan x, plus v, that is tan x, into derivative of u, that is e to the power 2x. Simplifying this, e to the power 2x, derivative of tan x is sec square x plus tan x, and as we have done earlier, it is derivative of e to the power 2x is 2 into e to the power 2x. Simplifying this further, taking e to the power 2x common, from the first term sec square x and from the second term 2 tan x is left. So this is the solution for derivative of e to the power 2x into tan x. Going with another simple example. Here I am writing d by dy, that is derivative with respect to y, of the function y cube into tan inverse of y. Now the variable x can be replaced with any of the variables x, y, z, t, etc. So here we have derivative with respect to y for the function of y itself. So again defining u and v. So on the same lines, y cube, that is algebraic function, is u, and tan inverse y, inverse trigonometric function, we are taking it as v. Simplifying this further or applying the formula, here it should be y cube and into derivative, that is d by dy of tan inverse y and plus tan inverse y, that is v, into d by dy of y cube, that is u. So this is y cube into derivative of tan inverse y is 1 upon 1 plus y square and plus tan inverse y as it is into derivative of y cube is 3y square. So this is the solution, or can be rearranged simply by taking again y square common. We can have y upon 1 plus y square and plus 3 times tan inverse y. So this is the required solution. And that's all with the examples related to product rules.